Hi guys! Preparations for Halloween are still on, and today we are drawing an owl. All we need is piece of paper, marker and something to color with. I have colored pencils here. We will start with the eyes and draw two big ovals next to each other. Owls have big eyes. And we will draw circles inside, also quite big. And the smaller circles or highlights. Next we will draw some feathers around the eyes, and we will start with the V shape above the eyes. Draw some feathers here on the both sides. Now we will draw a beak, just a small teardrop between eyes, and we will close this part like this. Now let's draw a top part of the head and ears. One line here. Two on the side. And again we draw some feathers. Two lines going from the side. And next we're gonna draw the bottom of the body. Just one curved line here. The body is approximately same width as the head. And we will draw this part and the opposite one. Again, draw some feathers. Okay, extend a little bit. And now we can draw wings, starting here. And the same on another side. Drawing feet might seem a little bit tricky, but I will show you how to do it. We start with lines only. They are going parallel to each other. And next, draw some curves. Like so. And extend a little bit inside. Our feet are done. Now we can draw a branch of tree where she is sitting. And the tail. Now we will draw some feathers on the belly. Start in the middle. 3 in the first row. 2 in the second. And one last one. Close the lines here. And finish with wings. That's it. Now we can color our owl. I will fast forward the video, but you can pause anytime you need to catch up. Alright, we are done drawing our owl, and I'm very happy how she came out. Of course, you don't have to draw it exactly same as me. You can change the color, for example. Or you can draw a branch of tree, little bit more spooky, to match the Halloween theme. You can play around, have fun, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!